Are you turning your Subaru Outback into the ultimate camping rig but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Today on OutdoorKitPro, we're breaking down the best camping gear for Subaru Outback, from sleeping setups and cargo nets to sunshades and trunk organizers. Stick around because a few of these picks are total game changers. Number 1. JASVIC Car Window Shades. JASVIC car window shades are built specifically for the Subaru Outback 2020 to 2025, so you get a near-perfect fit every time. Made from high-density mesh fabric, they cover your windshield and all side windows for full privacy at camp. The magnetic snap-fit installation means you're set up in seconds, no fumbling around. Whether you're sleeping in the back or just keeping the sun out during a midday nap, these shades do the job really well. They block ultraviolet rays and give you that cozy, blacked-out feel without any permanent modifications. If you own a newer Outback, this is an easy must-have. Next up, sleeping comfort. The KMZ Sport Utility Vehicle Air Mattress is an inflatable PVC mattress with a flocked top surface that actually feels soft against your skin, not like sleeping on a pool toy. It fits right into your sport utility vehicle's back seat or trunk area, and the included electric pump means you're inflated and ready in minutes. The thickened design is the standout here. It keeps you off the hard floor and gives you real cushioning through the night. If you've ever woken up sore after a night in your car, this fixes that problem fast. Great pick for weekend car campers who want comfort without hauling a full tent setup. Number 3. hejinzoo Car Camping Essentials. If you want to maximize your sleeping space, the hejinzoo Car Camping Essentials Kit is a genius solution. This mattress extension system uses a composite fabric platform to bridge the gap between your folded rear seats and your trunk floor, creating one flat, seamless sleeping surface. It's designed specifically for sport utility vehicles like the Outback. Once it's set up, your whole cargo area transforms into a proper bed platform. Pair it with the KMZ mattress, and you've got a legit sleep setup. Best for campers who want the most out of their interior space. Coming in at number 4, the bespeur Car Ceiling Cargo Net. This polyester mesh net installs overhead using adjustable buckle straps, turning that dead ceiling space into useful storage. It has double-layer pockets so you can stash lighter gear like hats, jackets, or snacks without touching your trunk space at all. It's one of those accessories you don't know you need until you try it, and then you wonder how you camped without it. Installation is quick and totally reversible. A solid pick for anyone who wants to stay organized without sacrificing cargo room. Number 5. Kaskawise Car Ceiling Cargo Net. If you need something beefier overhead, the Kaskawise Car Ceiling Cargo Net steps up with high-strength mesh and heavy-duty load capacity. Like the bespeur, it uses adjustable straps and features a double-layer design, but it's built for carrying heavier items with more confidence. Think extra clothes, blankets, or bulkier soft goods. The difference between these two comes down to load needs. If you're carrying light stuff, bespeur is great. If you're stuffing your ceiling net full every trip, Kaskawise is the better call. A top-tier overhead storage solution. Number 6. XHRING Car Trunk Organizer. Keeping the trunk organized is key, and the XHRING Car Trunk Organizer nails it with a multi-compartment Oxford fabric build that's made to fit Subaru models specifically. It's waterproof, so spills from camp cooking or wet gear won't ruin your setup. And when you don't need it, it folds flat for easy storage. The vehicle-specific fit means it sits snugly in your cargo area without sliding around every time you brake. It's the kind of organizer that keeps your camp kitchen, first aid kit, and tools all in their own space. A great choice if you like a tidy, sorted trunk. Next up is the HEYTRIP trunk organizer. And this one has a feature that really stands out, a leak-proof interior lining. Built from 600D Oxford fabric, it has 3 large compartments plus side pockets, and the adjustable tie-down straps keep it locked in place while you drive. No more shifting gear on winding mountain roads. That leak-proof lining is a huge deal if you're carrying liquids, sauces, or anything that might spill. It collapses flat when not in use, too. If you do a lot of car camping with food and drinks in the back, this is your organizer. Number 8. JHGFVC Car Trunk Organizer. Not everyone wants to spend big on storage, and that's totally fair. The JHGFVC Car Trunk Organizer delivers solid value with a multi-pocket polyester design that's water-resistant and foldable. It works across Subaru models and keeps your essentials sorted without costing a lot. Yes, it's the most budget-friendly option on this list, but it still handles the basics really well. If you're just getting into car camping and want to stay organized without a big investment, this is your starting point. A solid budget pick that gets the job done. Number 9. Omocyra Envelope-Style Trunk Cargo Net. For older Outback owners, the Omocyra Envelope-Style Trunk Cargo Net is made to fit the Subaru Outback 2000 to 2016. The envelope-style design uses elastic mesh that stretches over your cargo and holds it securely with hooks and clips. No organizer bins needed. It's great for keeping loose gear from flying around in the trunk. It's simple, lightweight, and effective for securing bags, sleeping gear, or equipment on bumpy trails. If you've got an older Outback and just need reliable cargo retention, this does exactly what it promises. A dependable, no-fuss pick for earlier model owners. Closing out our list with the Canvcle Sunshades, a heat reduction-focused option made from reflective polyester that covers both the windshield and side windows. They're designed to bounce heat away from your car, keeping your interior cooler on hot camping days and protecting everything inside from UV damage. The easy-fit installation means setup takes no time at all. They're a great complement to the JASVIC shades or a solid standalone option if you're on a tighter budget. A smart, practical addition to any Outback camping kit. So there you have it, the best camping gear for Subaru Outback to upgrade your adventures in 2026. If I had to highlight two, the KMZ Air Mattress and HEYTRIP Trunk Organizer are absolute must-haves. Check the links in the description below to grab any of these. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a gear guide.